I often get asked if people with certain health conditions can eat bean sprouts. For example, can cancer patients eat them? What about people with thyroid issues? I'll answer some of those questions in this video and talk about the pros and cons of adding more mung bean sprouts into your diet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about a super healthy food that is loaded with nutrients, mung bean sprouts. These crunchy little sprouts are common in many Asian dishes, but not as popular in Western cuisine. Section 1: Nutritional Breakdown. These sprouts get their superfood status because they are jam-packed with vitamins, minerals, and disease-fighting antioxidants. Here's a quick rundown. In just 1 cup of raw mung bean sprouts, you'll get a whopping 122% of your daily vitamin K, nearly 30% of your daily recommended folate, 42% of the RDI for vitamin C, plus iron, B vitamins, carotenoids, and more. The other magic ingredients are powerful flavonoids and phenolic acids. These compounds give mung beans antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and liver protective effects in studies. Section 2: Potential health benefits. Adding more mung bean sprouts into your diet could have advantages like 1. Boosting immune function. With sky-high vitamin C levels, sprouts can strengthen your body's disease-fighting immune cells. The antioxidants also prevent free radical damage. This is key for fighting off viruses and infections. 2. Promoting heart health. The fiber keeps arteries clear of plaque buildup. Meanwhile, nutrients like vitamin K, potassium, and folate maintain healthy blood pressure and circulation. 3. Aiding detoxification. One animal study showed improved liver and kidney health after supplementing diets with mung bean sprouts. This may be due to antioxidants binding to harmful toxins in the body and flushing them out. 4. Controlling blood sugar. Early research indicates mung beans can inhibit enzymes that digest carbs. For diabetics, this would mean better glycemic control and insulin regulation from the steady release of sugars into the bloodstream. Section 3: Addressing common concerns. If you have certain health conditions, you may still be able to include mung bean sprouts as part of a balanced diet. 1. Cancer. Yes, you can eat sprouts. Compounds in mung beans exhibit cytotoxic effects on cancer cells in lab settings. Just avoid raw sprouts to reduce infection risks if undergoing chemotherapy. 2. Thyroid issues. Mung beans contain goitrogens that potentially interfere with iodine uptake. But human studies show no decrease of key thyroid hormones even at high doses. Monitor yourself and consult a doctor if any side effects. 3. Digestive problems. The fiber aids digestion for most people but could cause slight gas or bloating at first as your gut bacteria adjusts. Cook lightly before eating to cut down on compounds that irritate sensitivities. 4. Side effects. Bacteria can thrive in a warm, humid environment, which are exactly the conditions in which sprouts are grown. As a result, there have been outbreaks of foodborne illness associated with eating raw and lightly cooked sprouts. People at high risk of food poisoning such as children, pregnant women, and anyone with a compromised immune system shouldn't eat sprouts unless they are fully cooked. Section 4: Cuisine around the world. Mung bean sprouts are a beloved ingredient used in many classic dishes and various cuisines globally. Here are some of the popular ways they are incorporated. 1. Vietnam. No bowl of pho would be complete without a heaping mound of crunchy bean sprouts topping the noodle soup. They add freshness and texture contrast. 2. Thailand. Pad Thai just wouldn't be the same without those tangy lime-splashed sprouts mixed into the sweet-savory tangle of rice noodles. 3. China. In Chinese cuisine, mung bean sprouts liven up everything from fried rice dishes to savory pancakes. They are typically just lightly cooked to retain that crisp bite. 4. Korea. Koreans love their nutrient-packed namul vegetable side dishes. A classic is sukjunnaeul, which features blanched sprouts tossed with sesame oil, salt, and crushed garlic. 5. India. Indian cooks turn mung beans into a type of lentil-based stew called Mung dal. Going the sprouted route adds more bioavailable nutrition. 6. Indonesia. Mung bean sprouts are used widely in Indonesian cuisine. Mung bean sprouts usually accompany soup dishes such as rawon, mie celor, or soto, mixed in Indonesian vegetable salads such as pecel, kerdok, or gado-gado, and stir-fried like in taj goreng. Section 5. Purchasing and proper storage. Select crisp-looking sprouts with the buds attached. Avoid musty-smelling, dark, or slimy-looking sprouts. Once home, refrigerate immediately at 40 degrees or below. When preparing sprouts to eat, be sure to rinse sprouts thoroughly with water before use. Proper storage and handling is crucial. Light cooking also helps kill any bacteria that could be present on raw sprouts. Those with compromised immune systems may want to avoid eating raw sprouts altogether as an extra precaution. Mung bean sprouts are clearly little nutrition powerhouses that can enhance dishes globally with their crisp crunch and mild nutty essence. As we learned today, enjoying just a half cup to 1 cup of sprouts daily provides a health boost from all those vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. We also covered how to select fresh, quality sprouts at the store and the importance of proper storage and handling to avoid any foodborne illnesses. Most people can incorporate cooked or raw sprouts as part of a balanced diet, though some precautions should be taken by high-risk groups. What's your favorite go-to recipe for whipping up yummy mung bean sprouts? Share your ideas in the comments below. Hope this video gave you a helpful intro to maximizing the benefits of mung bean sprouts in your cooking while staying safe. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time with more nutrition facts and healthy eating tips.